The efficiency of James is 2 times more than that of Olivia. So if I talk about Olivia having an efficiency of X, James is going to have an efficiency of not 2x but 3x, because it says 2 times more. Now, if they both start working in such a manner that they work on alternatively starting with James, so James start and then Olivia, if this continues, the work gets done on the 37th day. That means James should be finishing it, right? Because if you look at the pair, so this is going to be a total of 36 days. That means 18 pairs. So can we say the total work is going to be 4x plus 4x plus 4x 18 times, which is 72 plus 3, 75x. This is the total work that means. If Emma, this is a third person, if Emma does the same work alone, so we don't know the efficiency of Emma, let's call it Y. So if Emma does the work alone, she completes it in 50 days. How much of work? So 75x. So from here, we will get the efficiency of Emma as 3 by 2, which is 1.5x. In how many days will be taken by Olivia and Emma working together to complete the work? So this 75x, Emma and Olivia, they are going to finish 2.5x units of work in how many days? This should be 2.5 into 3 is 7.5 into 10 is 75. So it should get done in 30 days.